Alright guys, I'm here with the team from Green Discovery Laos. This is a buddy of mine called Ola.
Hi.
He's the lead guide and manager of the Green Discovery Adventure Base at the Rock Viewpoint. And what we're doing today is a pretty exciting outing. We're going to do a rappel into a vertical cave which is about 100 metres to the bottom. We're just getting set up now. We've got to climb down onto a platform. Alright, we're wearing harnesses. We've got to climb down onto a platform and we're clipped on at all times. Alright, we're down on the platform here and I'm just going to work my way towards the edge. This is one of my guides for the day. And you're going to get a view now of where we're going into. Straight down to that hole there. Apparently it's about 100 metres to the bottom. Alright, the guys are just getting set up for the drop into Tham Pong Cave. And they've just recorrected me and told me it's actually 90 metres to the bottom. Alright, Ola's given me a demonstration of how we're going to go down. He's actually got a brake set up on the rope there.
So I have to slide this one down, yeah?
Yeah.
Have to pull during going down, so pull the rope up.
Okay.
Yeah, pull the rope up. So more weight is more, how is it called? More tight.
Okay, yeah.
So all the way it's like this. Pulling down, go. Pulling down, go.
It's going to take a long time to get down there.
Brake. Stop. Slide down and pull the rope up. See?
Okay, I'm with you.
Yeah.
And he's heading down into the hole. Alright, here we are at the bottom of Tham Pong Cave, and we're going to ascend back to the entrance.
Oh man.
Green Discovery have got it set up the easy way for anybody that's interested in doing this. You actually got a winch, so instead of using a climber and exhausting yourself,
We got back up.
you're going to go up on a winch. The boys are just setting up now. Alright, there's the winch cable. Just getting safety straps in place. Alright, they're just putting weight on the wire. And off they go.
สั้นค่อยลง
Off he goes. And that's the easy way to get up. As you can see, it's a long way to the top. Alright, for any experienced climbers that might come down here, there's also a rock climbing route or trail which goes all the way up to the top. Alright, here's Ola coming back up on the winch. As you can see, it's a very long drop down to the bottom there. 90 metres straight down. That's it. Pretty good outing, that's for sure.